Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix a very common Android problem. Mobile data is connected, signal is showing, but internet is not working at all. If WhatsApp is not loading, YouTube is not opening, or Google is just stuck, don't worry. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix it. So let's get started. Solution 1. Airplane mode trick. First swipe down from the top and turn airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off. This refreshes the network and many times the internet starts working instantly. Solution 2. Restart your phone. If that doesn't work, simply restart your phone. Restart the phone can fix many glitches. Solution 3. Check mobile data settings. Now go to Settings app. Then tap on SIM and Network settings. Tap on your SIM. Here you can see the mobile data option. Make sure your mobile data is on and the correct SIM is selected for data. Solution 4. Set network mode to 4G LTE. Go to Settings app. Tap on SIM and Network settings. Now tap on your SIM. Scroll down and tap on Prefer network type. Select 4G LTE Auto. Avoid using 2G or 3G because the internet may not work properly. Solution 5. Check APN settings. This step is very important. Go to Settings app. Then tap on SIM and Network settings. Now tap on your SIM. Scroll all the way down and tap on Access Point name. Now tap on 3 dots in the top right corner. Then tap Reset to Default. After that, select your network APN and turn mobile data off and on. Solution 6. Turn data saver off. Go to Settings app. Then tap on your SIM and Network settings. Now tap on Data and Security. Then tap Data Setting and Data Usage. Tap Data Saver. If Data Saver is on, turn it off because it can block internet access for apps. Solution 7. Reset network settings. If the internet is still not working, do this. Go to Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then tap Reset Phone option. Then tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. This will not delete your personal data, only network settings. Solution 8. Check SIM card. Remove your SIM card, clean it gently and insert it again. If possible, test the SIM in another phone to confirm there is no SIM issue. And that's it for today's video. These are the easiest and most effective ways to fix mobile data connected but no internet problem on Android phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.